by Ortner Motorsports out of Wakeman, Ohio. Shane Canterbury. It's a 1983 Mack Superliner with a Cummins TT 1150 engine. Our defending point champion. It's called Big Mack Attack. What an awesome semi coming up.
Did he blow the head off?
I have never seen a wheel fly off like that.
Did you see the acid fly off the ground?
Yeah.
Oh, it just fell off.
Looks like everybody's okay and don't seem to be a fire. But the whole Ortner team is coming down to check that out. That was an awesome finish.
This is an FYI. They say the weak part on the Cummins is not the bottom end, it's the head pulling out.
And the official distance for Big Mack Attack, 277.34. 277.34. That'll put him in second place at the moment.
I see something shiny, but I can't tell if it's the ground or the bottom of the truck.
Over on track one, non-typical deal. Mike Creighton's unable to come back. So that's going to wrap up the SCS Gearbox Modified Tractors. We have a couple semis to go, I believe.
They're going to have to pull him back. They jammed that. I mean,
take a look at the guys putting that hood back on, and you know, that's the smokestack coming out of the hood, and it had to come apart. What a mess on Big Mack Attack. Sure they'll have that baby back together. Next on the OSTPA schedule is in 2 nights, Thursday night, we'll be at the Richland County Fair in Mansfield, Ohio. And then on Friday night, we'll be at the Holmes County Fair in Millersburg, Ohio. And on Saturday night,
so what do you think it is?
Saturday night,
you think
we'll
drive
be
shaft come apart and blew something else?
At the annual festival out there.
What else is going to lift the whole ass end off the
ground? A new
ground?
event this year. So 3 good events coming up Thursday, Friday, Saturday after tonight. Yeah. Here are the final results of the FCS Gearbox Modified Tractors. Your winner, Bob Swenson Sr. Come on up, Bob. Second place, Rick Kraus. Unfinished Business. Come on up, Rick. Third place goes to Don Dean, the Plumber's Nightmare. Number 4, Brad Giroux, Wild Time. Number 5, Ron Bargy, the Apache. Number 6, Carl Schreiber, Playboy. Number 7, Robbie Sweeson, Leather and Lace. And number 8, Mike Kraus, the non-typical deer. So we need 5.